Understanding the phrase, heart rate up, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, heart rate up. This phrase can be a bit tricky for learners, so let's dive in and understand its meanings and usage. Heart rate up refers to an increase in the speed of the heartbeat. It's often used to describe physical or emotional states that cause the heart to beat faster than normal. This can be due to exercise, excitement, nervousness, or fear. Let's see how heart rate up is used in various sentences. 1. Exercise. Running always gets my heart rate up. 2. Emotions. Seeing the horror movie really got my heart rate up. 3. Health context. The doctor checked if the medication was bringing her heart rate up. Understanding synonyms can help deepen your comprehension. Other ways to express this idea include accelerated heartbeat, increased heart rate, heart pounding. It's easy to confuse heart rate up with other phrases. Remember, it specifically refers to the speed of the heartbeat, not the strength or health of the heart. Try creating your own sentences using heart rate up. This can help solidify your understanding. Share your sentences in the comments below. That's all for today's lesson on heart rate up. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video.